welcome to Emmanuel Crypto, and in this particular video, I'm share with you how you can make money online. And this particular video is not actually about really on cryptocurrency, but anyone who is a cryptocurrency trader needs to have what we call a backbone. Yes, what I'm trying to say is that what you actually fall back to anytime maybe the market is already against you, and if you are someone who is not interested in how to make money online can actually flip this particular video and go and watch the next one. So in this particular video, I'm sharing with you what I've been using and it's been working for me. It's tested and trusted. This is not exactly about element or multi-level or a project scheme. This is what is actually working. And before I show you about how to make money on this particular platform or the name of this particular platform, let me show you some certain things, and let me show you some of the big brands that work with this particular companies. Then when you move down to brands here, let's check on brands that are working. You could see the likes of Bugatti. You could see the likes of Bugatti, Katia, Chanel, Leos Vector, and a lot more. Yes, Nick. So we have them, the Asus that are into laptop, Rolex. In fact, Lamborghini is one of them. So these particular brands give this particular platform I'm about to share with you, it gives them ads. So it was those ads they showed to us in this particular platform. You watch, you could see those ads are about 10 seconds video. So you watch and you could see at my ending here that per watch that I'm able to watch, I'll be able to make 1,600. On a daily basis, I make around 10,600 naira, because on this particular category position I'm able to watch 10 particular video, and you're able to withdraw once in a week. Yes, let me show you some of my withdrawals. Let me come to mine so you can know that this particular platform has been paying. Let me go to accounting records, comes to withdrawal. You can see these are the withdrawals I've been making over the past. This one was the one I make just of recent, which was on Thursday. On the category I'm always paid on Thursday, and you could see this particular amount too. You can check your calendar to confirm. This one too was paid on Thursday. So you could see a lot of amounts that I've been earning on this particular, and the minimum on this particular category I can earn on a weekly basis is around 10,000, is around 36,000, because we always pay 10% of anything we make anytime you are making withdrawals. And one thing I love about the particular platform is that the place of options. Yes, this particular platform, their initial coin offering of their stock will be coming up live around June. Yes, you could see this is their stock rate currently. It's only those that are full employee in this particular platform that have invited a lot of people that will be able to get this particular stock. As at the time I joined in January, their stock option was around 2,000 plus, and currently now it has risen to 6,819. And by the time it will be traded on the exchange floor, I believe that this particular stock must have gotten to around 10,000 by June as at then. So for anyone that is having this particular stock, what you could just do if you want to sell is to just put the amount you want to sell here. That means if you have, you just tap on submit, and voila, you sell that particular coins. And you could come here. These are the categories people can start with. These are they are of different particular category. That's why I'm holding a seminar, which I will be dropping the particular link in the description of this particular video. And that seminar is coming up tomorrow, which is the last Sunday of this month. So if you want to be part of this particular video, if you are watching it now and seminar hasn't taken place, I tell you, you can just join so that you could get known about this particular platform I'm sharing with you currently right now, so that you'll be able to know how to join, the things you need to know. I tell you, they are an advertising platform. So I'll be waiting for your comment in the comment section on the video. Please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so you can get notified anytime I upload another new video like this. Thank you. Bye bye.